Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing a thermostat bypass valve on this 2016 Silverado. I already have the kit. It is the STL 010. It is the exact same brand as the Superior Cool or whatever it's called. This one I got off Amazon for 13 bucks. I'll send the link in the description. And let's go ahead and tear this apart and get it installed. Go ahead and show you where it's located. It's underneath on the driver's side. It's this bad boy right here. 13 millimeter bolt. And then I gotta take this plate off and the lines will come out. This piece has the thermostat in it. It's up on the top side. I'll show you once we get it out. Now that we have it out, like I said, the thermostat is in the top. You can actually see it through that hole. I don't know if we can get you up close enough. There we go. That's the factory thermostat. You're going to take your lock ring pliers, get that wiggled out kind of nicely. Get that in there. This worked out. There's one side. There we go. Popped out just like that. There's the ring. I'm gonna have to get some pliers to grab that out. Let me grab some real quick. And you just gotta work it out. It's got nice and snug rubber seals on it, just like that. There's the factory setup. Drain all that little bit of fluid that's in there. Use that fluid. I'm gonna wipe out what I can in the crevices. Just like that. Clean up what I can. Get all this fluid needs changed. I'm gonna go ahead and change it soon, but not quite right now. All right. Now let's put it back together. Use some of this transmission fluid I just wiped out. Get it on my finger. We'll use that as the nice O-ring. So this goes down in first. Make sure it seats down in with the rubber gasket. With the O-ring in, the smaller side down in. It'll seat. Then your ball bearing. Then your spring. Before we do that, we want to get the O-rings on, rub them with some training fluid. Could just use some assembling lube I have. I'll rub that on that O-ring, get that going. It'll go all the way up in that first one. And same with the second O-ring. Disassembly a lube on there. It'll give it a nice little grease up as we put it in. And just like so. All right, this smaller side's gonna go down. Make sure it goes where it belongs. Just like that. Now we'll use these to set this in there. And then that sits just like so. Wedge it in there, nice and tight. That way you can still see that groove. Because that groove right there is where the snap ring is going to go back in. Make sure that goes all the way down, and you make sure it seats. That looks like it's in there. We'll double check and push down once I pull that in. Let's see if we can get that to come down a little bit more right here. That piece to go in. Well, that's it. That's where she sits then. Yep. That's where the lock ring's back in, and it's ready to be put in. All right, that's it, all together. We'll see how she does on the temperatures. I hope this video helped you get this done and understand what needs to be done. If this video helped you, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like lowriders or any type of fabrication. That's what we do here, or I do. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.